Meaning of Cypriot. Cypriot. Cypriot.
Cypriot. Cypriot. Cypriot refers to someone or something from Cyprus, an island nation in the eastern Mediterranean Sea. It can be used as an adjective to describe the culture, cuisine, language, or people of Cyprus. As a noun, it specifically refers to a person who is a native or citizen of Cyprus. The Cypriot culture has been heavily influenced by various conquerors and rulers throughout history, resulting in a unique blend of Greek, Turkish, Middle Eastern, and European traditions. The country's economy relies heavily on tourism and service sectors.